my wonderful, busy homemaker friends. How are you today? I am Deb. You are in the office with Deb, your personal home and decluttering consultant. And today, this is one of the questions I get asked quite a bit. Quite a bit. And you moms are going to know what I'm talking about. Now, when you hop on, say hello, hashtag replay, so I know you've been around. And let's go ahead and dive into this, because the question I get asked quite a bit: how do I get motivated to clean when I have a toddler at home, and as soon as I clean, it gets messed up? And I get it. It's frustrating. I had a toddler. I went through that stage too. I remember my son would be sleeping. I'd be cleaning, putting this away, that away, this away. As soon as he gets up, there's the mess. Here's the mess. There's the mess. He's running around, dropping stuff here, there, dropping stuff there, toys here, toys. Or he'd be in the kitchen and he'd spill on something. Or I've even had applesauce on my on my walls and stuff, because I don't know how he was eating that thing, but I'll never forget the applesauce walls. That was one of the reasons I had to paint once he got older, because man, I was wiping off applesauce every day pretty much. He was on an applesauce kick. You know how it is. Kids are out in their modes. Now, how do you think I felt after I did all that cleaning and he's messed it up? It's frustrating. It's daunting. And you're sitting there, why do I even bother to clean? This is ridiculous. I clean every day, and every day he does the same thing. He messes it up. And I remember getting so mad and so, it's like, is this going to be the rest of my life or what? But here's the good news, busy mom. It will get better. I promise you, it will get better. And how do you get yourself motivated? Okay, first of all, you got to say to yourself, this is a phase. My son's not always going to be creating these messes. He's a toddler now. But come next year, the same time next year, you may not have him or her throwing that sippy cup down on the floor and it's spilling everywhere just because they're in a phase of it now every day. Doesn't mean it's going to be in the same phase next year. Hey, Maureen. So nice to see you. I hope you're having a wonderful day, because I've been cleaning up messes today. Messy Marvin's in the house today. Yes, kids make messes. That's kind of what we're talking about. Because how do you motivate yourself when your kids keep making a mess and they're in that phase? And you really have to tell yourself, I'm going to take this one day at a time. It will get better. It will get better. It will get better. It will get better. Like I said, they're not going to be mine was throwing applesauce on the walls every day for, oh my God, I think I want to say it was 6 months. Not really throwing it, but the way he's eating, it's like high chairs here and it's going this way. He's missing his mouth. It's going on the walls. You know what I'm talking about, is those who have kids, or even grandparents know what I'm talking about. Ugh. So that's one way to get yourself motivated. You got to remind yourself, this is only a phase, because the older they get, the more they can even start to help out, even if it's picking up one toy. And they pick up one toy. That's one less thing you got to do. You got to learn to be grateful for the little things, because the little things add up to bigger things. You just got to take it slow sometimes. Now, another way to get motivated. Ladies, if you have to clean, getting you motivated to clean is kind of like, well, what we're talking about in the group this month. We're talking about laundry and your laundry room, everything from the laundry room decor, more and all that. And we discussed laundry detergents today in the group. But anyway, doing the laundry is And trying to get yourself to motivated to do the laundry is like getting yourself motivated to clean. How is that the same? It's the same because I don't know about you. Laundry is a never-ending job. I'm either washing towels, rags, bed sheets, clothes, dark clothes, light clothes. It doesn't end. And the minute you empty that laundry basket, guess what? Cha-ching, there's something in it. Now, unfortunately, that phase may never end. However, you can get somebody to help you out with the laundry. You could get somebody to help you put it in the dryer. You could get somebody to help you fold towels. You just kind of got to work with it. So get yourself motivated to do the laundry. And clean. And you know people are going to mess it up. Try to think of it as a laundry. Yes, cleaning is a never-ending job. We can't get away from it. I would say one thing. If you're really not in the mood to clean that day and it's a gloomy day, there's sometimes no way you can motivate yourself. I don't know about you, but I need the sunshine. If you can, put off that cleaning till a sunshiny day. The sun shining in the room invigorates me to get going. Or call a friend who you know is cleaning, because that will motivate you. Once you get off that phone, you're like, man, I should at least pick this up and get this done today. Trust me, it's contagious. My friends and I have it happen all the time. One's in the mood, one's not. Or she's in the mood, she's cleaning, and I'm not. And next thing I know, I'm doing a little bit extra. It's like, dang it, I did it again. I copied her. Think about it. Watch that next time when you're talking to your friends and they're cleaning. And then watch what you do later on at home and you're like, I think I did a little more work than I wanted to. So, you need the sunshine. That's a good motivator. Go sit in the yard for a minute with your cup of coffee. And then tell yourself, after I enjoy my cup of coffee, I'm going to come in. I'm going to get the floor done. It may not be much, but I'll get the kitchen floor done. You got to talk yourself into the cleaning, doing the laundry. And whether you realize it or not, to get yourself motivated, you're already doing that and you're not even realizing it. You got up this morning. You turned off the alarm. You could have let it ring. You went to work. You picked up the piece of paper. You wrote on that piece of paper. You made the lunch. You put the dishes away. Think about it. You're motivating yourself every day. If you didn't have the motivation to do it, those dishes would be piling up in the sink for a week and a half. Or you wouldn't be going to work and your boss would be saying you're fired. Somehow we internally motivate ourselves without even realizing it. And that's the good part. So you're like, okay, I can motivate myself to get out of the bed. Now, how do I motivate myself to clean the house when I know the toddlers are messing it up? Or do the laundry because every day there's stains on the toddler's clothing. Yes, it's a fact of life. It happens. Maybe one day you'll get away without stains. That's the day you're grateful for. You're like, oh, there's only 4 stains instead of 20. Celebrate it. Because it's very hard when you got the young ones underfoot at that age because you got to constantly watch them. So you finding the time to clean, that's a miracle in itself. You finding the time to get the laundry done. Maybe while your husband's watching the baby for 10 minutes. Honey, you need to watch the baby for a minute because I need to get the clothes in the dryer. Or, hey, watch your brother or watch your sister. We've all done that. We've done it. So, remember, you've got to put the effort in yourself. You've got to talk to yourself. Help yourself do that. You also need the sunshine to help motivate you. You need a friend to help motivate you. Call your friend and say, I don't want to clean, but you need to help me. How can you help me get clean? Are you cleaning so it's contagious? Tell your friend, I need you to talk me into getting that kitchen done. I'm sick of looking at it and I can't stand it because every time I turn around, my toddler's messing it up and I've got to clean up more spills. You kind of got to think out of the box and keep telling yourself, this is only a phase, this is only a phase, it's only a phase, it will get better. Because I remember those days with the toddler. And it is rough. So those are my 3 tips for you today for getting yourself motivated to get you cleaning and get you doing your laundry. Don't forget, jump in my group this month, Deb's Staff for Your Life, Tips and Inspiration. The link is up above on my cover picture on the Facebook, because we are talking dirty laundry. I'm going to have a nice DIY craft for you for your laundry room coming up. We've already talked detergent in there and stuff. And I hope to see you in there. If you need a home consult, you know where to reach me. Thank you, my wonderful homemaker friends, and I will see you on my page and hopefully in my group.